In this video, I want to show you how to change the lock screen timeout period. So if you just let your iPhone and don't touch it, how much time until it locks itself? Well, to do that, you need to go into the settings of your iPhone 16e. And from here, you simply have to go down. And one of the options should be display and brightness, this one. Then go down. And one of the options should be auto lock. Tap on it, and by default, you're going to find out that it's 30 seconds. If you don't want your phone to lock itself, unless you do it manually by pressing the power button, select never. This will also mean that if you forget your iPhone with the screen on, well, the battery will be completely drained the next time you use it if, let's say, you come back in a few hours, because the screen will just stay on and never shut down. But some people prefer this, or you can set up a few minutes over here. Overall, this is it. Once you have selected one option, you can go and use your phone. Have a beautiful day. Subscribe, like, and comment down below.